Hey, I'm Fish. I don't have money to dish out every single time to Honda when their part breaks all the time of plastic clips. They're not made great. So I did it before, but I used the wrong color silicone. And of course the member hits the wall again and it comes off. So I'm going to show you with what I got and what I just set up. I only did it once, and I'm not going to go to make myself perfect like you. So here I got is black silicone. You could pick any company in the world you want. It's going to go right in there. And I'm going to use whatever I have to put it in. You got it. I didn't drop it. It simply goes in there. That's your first step. All right. Then I'm going to take a board. And all I'm going to do is do my best to put it on here. Give a little pressure. And hopefully the member won't take the car. Let time do its job. So let's get to the long, tedious video that could have helped you out in your repair the unconventional way. I guess you just don't get the humor. You know how to cut the tip, and you know how to stick something in and just make sure it clears, but you don't want to touch it. You want to put it in the gun, and you got it, start to squeeze it out. But if you're worried about it getting on your hands, wear a pair of gloves. And if you're allergic to latex, then find a pair of gloves that work for you. I'm sorry, but the camera is going to be in my way. So I'm going to put some here. It's supposed to be black. Doesn't look like black to me. Oh, the clip came off over here too. Going to take my board. I'm going to pressure it in. I'm going to find another board, give some pressure in over here. I don't want to cut my board and ruin it, but I may have to. So I'll take some nails, 2 of them, and I'll put them on a piece of wood like so. Then I'll come over here and I'll squeeze it on. And I could do another one like so. While I got this opening here, I'm going to fill it in. Oh man, I'm going to just break wood. Done. Because this is all done on camera, I got a pair of gloves. I cleaned up the mess just like that. Gloves are replaceable. I'll get another pair. So, that's how you do a simple repair the unconventional way. We'll come back when it dries. I can't wait anymore. It's a couple hours later. Should be more than enough for this to stay on there, be strong. There you go. Oh! All I need to do is just fill this in a little bit, let it hold, put some tape around it, and we're good to go. I got some black tape, not the best to do, but we'll put it on, put it around, give it a little fold, and let it hold. And that will hold it in to where I need it to be at. You let your car get fixed by a mechanic. That'd be about a couple $100 to do. You can get the piece for about 50 bucks shipped, but it's only going to break again. And that's why I went this route with glue. Been there, done that. Have a great day.